Alright, I may still have cookie on my teeth, but let's do this! My wonderful wife is here. She's grinning at me back there. And she brought me some stuff! Some Amazon stuff! And like usual, I can't remember what I ordered. So it's like Christmas at the cabin! And it's a beautiful day out there. Gorgeous day, and the breeze was keeping some bugs away for a while, but anyway. So, what do we got here? I'm going to put a lot of this stuff in my Amazon store later, so check it out. This didn't come from Amazon. Fireworks! Yay! Wait, where did this come from?
That didn't come from Amazon.
Okay, this didn't come from Amazon. This is. Where did you get this? That's cool.
It's a cutting board.
Yeah, it's a cutting board. Where did you get it?
Dollarama.
Dollaramas.
It's bamboo.
Bamboo! I love it! Okay. That's not going in my Amazon store. I got more fireworks. Okay. Hey, first thing that I actually ordered. It's a torch. A butane torch. They use them for cooking. Oops. Oh, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. They use them for cooking. But I want one for lighting stuff outside when you get high winds and you're trying to burn something. Like a lighter is just going to go out on you. If you watched my burger video the other day, you see me trying to light that birch bark. But more importantly, I want to light ticks. When you find a tick on the dog, although they've got their medication now, so. Anyway, when you get a tick, you want to burn them until they pop. That's... That's what you got to do. That's what that's for. That's huge. That's a lot bigger than I thought that was going to be. This is the size I thought it was going to be. This one doesn't work with a damn. Anyway, we'll try that out later. Let's see, what else we got? More fireworks. Gee, are we doing something this weekend, dear? Mosquito head nets. But those are also from Dollarama. But you know, I'm gonna find some mosquito head nets on Amazon and put those in my store as well because they're really handy. They look like the dogs are just on the deck, and they both saw me moving towards the back door, so they both raced around. But this is what a mosquito head net looks like. So you want to have a wide brim hat to go with it, otherwise it's just going to dangle down on your face. And what you do is you put your hat on and then you do this. And it keeps the bugs off your face, and they're not all that uncomfortable at all. Yeah, they work great. Oh, almost in the water. Okay. What? No salt added chicken beef bouillon? Bouillon? Oh, my paracord. So I ordered 100 feet of paracord because you can never have enough paracord. And oh yeah. So I've been emailing Greg back and forth, and he suggested I get a Craig thingamadooger, and I said, yeah, you're right. Essentially, if you toenail things, if you're screwing in, if you're putting screws in your toenailing or you're hammering, Craig's gonna help a lot. It looks like this. I'm not exactly sure how that works. You clamp your board in here, and then you have a guide to screwing in your thumbnails or whatever. Anyway, it sounded really handy, and I knew I needed one, so I bought one. That one's definitely from Amazon. Never used one before, but I know what they do. Oh, and then this beautiful thing. My new telescoping lens for my camera, so I can get the close-ups of those beavers and muskrats and things. And whatever else. There was a cheaper lens, but it didn't have image stabilization. This one does. And I figured the further you get out, the more you want your stabilization. So there it is. Interesting, can't wait to try that out. Anyway, that's the end of my Amazon box for this time. And as I said, check out my Amazon store. I'll put the link below, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye.